Seeing the USB connector connected and disconnected error? Don't replace your phone. These 5 fixes I'm about to show you could solve it in minutes. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, we'll begin with the common fixes. The first method is to restart your phone. If the problem is caused by a temporary software glitch, restarting your Samsung phone may fix the USB connector connected/disconnected error. After restarting, plug in your charger and check if the issue is gone. Now, the second method is even more important than the first. If your USB charging port has dust, lint, or moisture causing a false connection, cleaning and drying the port can often fix the USB connector connected/disconnected problem. Now, here's the next method, which is even more important than the second. Use a different USB cable and charger. If the problem is caused by a faulty USB cable or charger, trying a different cable and charger may solve the issue. Now, if you skip this next method, you're making a big mistake. To do this, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Software Update. Then tap Download and Install. If a new update is available, install the latest software version as soon as possible. Now, the next method is the most important of them all. Go back to the main settings page. Tap General Management. Scroll down and tap Reset. Then tap Reset All Settings. Tap Reset Settings. Then tap Reset again and let the process finish. That's it. If you're still having the problem, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.